Right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the WhatsApp View Once, okay, photos and videos on your Android or iPhone. So what we're going to be using, guys, actually is this app, right? It's called Beeper. The app is called Beeper, and it's actually available on both your Android and iOS devices. You can get this app also, guys, on your PC, whether it's a Windows PC or Mac OS PC, doesn't really matter. I'm going to show you how to use this app, guys. So basically what this app is, okay, it aggregates your different chat apps. So basically what it does is it consolidates chats from the different platforms into one dashboard. So your Snapchat, Instagram, Telegram, everything. So it comes under one app. So we're basically what we're going to be doing, guys, okay? What we're going to be doing, right? For example, in Snapchat, right? You can take screenshots, but if you want to get the one-time view picture, you can take a picture using your other phone, but it will not look as clear or it won't look as good. The quality will not be as good. So this is where this app actually comes in. So what you need to do, guys, is first download or install this app on your phone or any other device that you actually prefer. Download this app. If it's your Android, download it in your Android, guys. And then, guys, what you want to do is you want to actually sign up. Put in your email and then click continue. And then it's going to ask you, after you put in your email and press continue, it's going to ask you to pick a username, put your full name, and then, guys, click on next. And then, guys, it's going to ask you to connect to different networks. You want to connect to WhatsApp. Okay, click here on connect to WhatsApp, and then you want to actually access WhatsApp in Beeper. After you connect, you can access all your WhatsApp chats into Beeper app. Now, guys, you want to click on the person whose chat you want to access and download the one-time view photo or video. Then you want to come here, guys. You can now actually view the V1's images like their normal images. Okay, it will appear as regular files in Beeper, which allows you to actually save or download. Just click on this download icon right here, and it's gonna start downloading to your phone the image or photo. And guys, it also lets you view the images that was sent before you actually set up the app. It is literally that easy and simple, guys. But you cannot view voice notes yet. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, guys, make sure you hit that